What is up, gearheads? Welcome to Fun in the Mud with Giro Cafe. This event is turning out to be epic. The Raptor is completely filthy. The Ranger's epically trudging through everything to be thrown at it. Not to mention Alex's Focus. This thing deserves like Focus of the Year, I swear. I don't think I can do that. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. All right, gearheads, well, that wraps up our day. Hope you guys had so much fun, everybody who attended. And honestly, I had a blast. The Explorer did so much better than last time we took her out off-roading. And this time, somehow, everything's good except the relay to my blower motor. And I can't shut off my interior fan. So we will check that out at a later date. The Ranger, however, looks like it's sprung a leak on the heater hose. So it's smoking a little bit, but she's doing okay. We're on our way back to Water Valley to wrap up our day. Thanks so much for watching. And if you can support the channel, just hit subscribe. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If there's something you'd like to see in the next video, make sure to leave a comment below. And we'll catch you on the next one.